from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today I'm going to be taking you through a very chill, relaxed Sunday morning routine. So over the past few weeks, I have been incredibly busy, physically and mentally, with packing, moving, unpacking, organizing, getting the whole new house set up. So I just wanted to take a whole day just doing pretty much nothing. So just taking it really slow, really chill, and just having a really nice, relaxed Sunday morning. So if you want to see what I get up to on my cozy, relaxed, chill Sunday morning, just keep on watching.
If you go, 'cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
Now after I've had a coffee and chilled out with Freddie for a good 15 minutes or so, it's time to get started into the morning, and that always starts with just making the bed and just straightening up the bedroom. I think it just sets me up, even on a Sunday, for a nice, calm, peaceful day, having the bed made. Outfit of the day number 1. Freddie, stop stealing mummy's slippers. It's too hot for anything else, so I'm just wearing some bike shorts, H&M t-shirt, Kmart sports bra, and that is it. Bubble butt.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh. but you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in, and I'll never step in, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but
This smoothie is literally the easiest thing to make. It's such a quick and simple breakfast. It is just ice, oat milk, protein powder, frozen banana, and it is like a thick shake for breakfast. It is so delicious, so quick and easy, and perfect for when it's a hot day. You come back from going for a walk and you just want something light and cool and quick and easy. This is it.
it is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me, but I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back at the showtime, you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see your.
Now, before I headed out to do some Christmas shopping, I just wanted to quickly fix one of my nails. I got sent this home DIY gel nail kit from Madam Glam, and I have tried it last week and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It is so much better than getting your nails done at a salon. 1, you save the money. 2, you save the time. And 3, I think that when you go to the salon, they can be a little bit rough on how they do your nails, and they can take a lot of your natural nail down when they file it and when they remove the gel polish. So I think that doing it yourself is a really great option. The only thing that I've been turned off before is 1, finding a kit that actually works and that is really good quality, and not wanting to have like too much of like a bulky set. And I was really impressed with how compact this little UV lamp was, how simple and easy, and how well the results worked out. Really loving this. I have got a discount code available for you. This is not a sponsored post. They did send out this nail kit for me to try and to share with you guys if I liked it, and to also share the code with you, which I'm more than happy to do because I absolutely love it. The range of colors that I chose were all pinky nudie neutrals, all of my favorite style colors, but they have a huge range of colors. So if you like the reds or the different colors or the brighter colors, they have got something for absolutely everyone. And the colors are absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm a bit fussy when it comes to nail polish colors, and I know what I like, and these ones are incredible. So definitely recommend. Check out Madam Glam on their website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Take advantage of the code if you are looking for an alternative to salon nail services. You can really easily do it at home. This one is a 3-step process that I did. So you do the base coat, you cure it, then you do the color, you cure it, and then you do the top coat and cure it. But they do also have a 1-step gel, which I think I will try next time for sure. I also love that they are vegan and cruelty free, and that they donate $1 from all of their pink colors to a breast cancer charity, which I thought was really great too. Once you're finished curing, you just need to rub it with some rubbing alcohol. So this is just regular pharmacy rubbing alcohol. I've got some in a spray bottle because I use this to disinfect things with. So you just literally put some on a cotton pad, rub it over, and then after that it's set completely hard. Yeah, I am absolutely loving how these DIY gel nails have turned out. I still need to improve my technique a little bit and get a little bit neater and a little bit better, but I really like how they've lasted so well. and I'm super happy with them. And the thing that I'm most impressed is how compact it is, because I always was keen to do DIY nails because sometimes I think that the salon people are a little bit rough on your nails and they maybe don't take as much care, but I really love how super compact this is. It just packs up into this cute little box, and then we're all done for next time.
And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you.
You're the cutest. So guys, that is about it for today's video. My nail is fixed. I have done my Sunday morning routine. Nothing too strenuous, nothing too difficult. Pretty much just chill, wake up, nice relaxing coffee with Freddie, and then go for a nice walk, have a little quick breakfast, and then just get a little bit of planning done for the week ahead, and then literally just get ready and then just pop out and do a little spot of early Christmas shopping. I'm determined to get it done well and truly in advance this year. There's not going to be no more doing any Christmas shopping on the school holidays. I want it all done and dusted before school breaks up. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Have a fabulous week, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle.